Welcome to SketricGen. In the next few minutes, you'll build real agents starting with a brand agent that knows everything about your business and an AI workforce that actually automates your work and business processes. So let's start. The moment you sign up, you're already in a team space with a default project. Create a separate project for each product or business you run so new agents can share project context and be more effective. You can invite teammates to the whole workspace or to a single project to build and maintain agents together. The easiest place to start is a brand agent. Think of it as a second brain for your business. Point it at your live website and it automatically pulls your brand DNA and colors. You can keep adding to that knowledge base and grow it over time. So this is far more than a basic FAQ bot. And with connectors, your brand agent can act, not just answer, collect and qualify leads, schedule demos, update your CRM, and more. When it's ready, you can keep it private for internal Q&A or make it customer facing. Publish it on your website, Instagram, WhatsApp, and beyond. Full setup details are in our docs at docs.sketricgen.ai. Next, let's build a small team for the internal work every business has. We'll start from a template, the SEO blog writer team, and clone it. Every AI workforce has a main agent that leads and sub-agents that handle the pieces. Each agent gets its own instructions, like a job description, and its own skills. Search the marketplace or add your own. From there, add more tools, web search, file search, and the full connector marketplace with just about any app. Granting access is as simple as a checklist. Out of the box, every agent is powerful enough that it can plan, reason, and break big jobs into smaller steps. It reads and writes files. Each agent and each project has its own file directory across projects, sessions, and conversation. Unlike brand agents, an AI workforce is private by design. It's never publicly published. You work with it right here in the playground, and it's all transparent. Every session gives you full traces, each tool call, and the reason behind it. For both brand agents and workforce, you can see all the conversations, runs, insights for your agents. So yeah, add your team members, start building agents together, and enjoy SketricGen.